I just consumed this.
Yes.
Can I send the video to Oma?
Yes.
Can you send it to Grandma and Papa too?
Sure.
Wait, has the video started?
Yes.
Oh. I know, but I'm washing the dishes. And now I'm not that tall. I'm standing on a stool. Hi, Mom.
Good work, girl.
So, I'm cleaning this right now. Plastic thing with dish soap in it. This is actually pretty fun. Mommy says that you like me doing this, and I believe her, because it's fun. This thing has been on for like 6 minutes. Right now, I put some soap in it, and now I'm putting water in it, and now I'm scrubbing it. Now I'm gonna make one for my grandma that lives in Culver.
Okay.